Today we're looking at the Yeezy 700 Salt. Welcome back to Kicks on Kicks, my channel where I review sneakers. And today we're looking at these. These are the Yeezy 700 in the Salt colorway. This is the 2023 release. New, we call them Yeezys retros. I guess it's not a retro. They just restocked these for Yeezy Day, and I grabbed a pair. So we're going to take a look at the shoe. We'll talk about the packaging, although you've seen a Yeezy 700 box before. And we'll talk about legit checking indicators so you can tell the difference between the authentic product and the replicas. And then we're going to get out of here and on to the next review. Now, let's go ahead and start off with this shoe from the bottom up. This is your standard Yeezy 700 outsole. Now, 700 is like probably my favorite Yeezy model. I like the Yeezy 1s. I like the Yeezy 2s. But as far as everyday wear and comfort, this is it for me. But looking at the outsole, super black, all black rubber construction outsole with herringbone traction pattern. Not like you're wearing these for any sport reasons or anything, but nice rubber, get you a lot of, everyday walking. And then, of course, you can see little peaks of that Boost material. So you're going to have a nice bounce when you walk. Pause. But yeah, now let's move up to the midsole. And probably the reason this is my favorite Yeezy silhouette has to do a lot with the way the midsole and the upper sort of come together. It's just done really well. Anyway, taking a look at the midsole, it's all gray this time around, all grayed out. Really neutral shoe, like it a lot. But you got all those waves, even the little pods. Usually the pods are like a 3M or some kind of pop color. All that's gray on this specific colorway. And moving on to the upper, straight up tonal shoe, a nice flat gray shoe. So you got mesh, you got suede, you even got a little bit of leather up here on the eyelets and the lace holes. You even got gray laces, but all of these are slightly different shades of the same gray. So it looks nice. It looks nice. It's just this is like the real test of a silhouette. Like, does your shoe look good in all white or all black, or in this case, all gray? And in my opinion, it passes that test. Now, for some more detailed features, you can take a look on your medial side. You got these 3M little spots here. You also got 3M spots on the lateral sides. It's a pretty symmetrical shoe now that I'm thinking about it. And then you got some little spots right here, these holes where the 3M pokes through as well. Now, quick check on the inside, you do get some tags. The Yeezy Boost 700 originals. Mine are in a size 9 US. Let's take a quick look at the box, shall we? So these are, like I said, the Yeezy 700. You've seen a Yeezy 700 box before. Yeezy Boost 700 made by Adidas. Now look on the other side. Let's take a look at the colorway, shall we? Yeezy Boost 700 colorways. It says salt, salt, salt. So triple salt, I guess. And mine are in a US size 9 because that's the size I wear. Now, let's put that back and not knock anything over. So let's do some legit checking indicators real quick. 1 second. So this shoe, I like to look for things that you can see like straight up without having another shoe in hand. And unfortunately with Yeezys, the rep factories are super good at replicating them. But I'll show you one thing that came wrong on this pair. And that is, if you shine a black light on here, you'll see there's like 3M reflective up under this window on the lateral side, mid panel, right? And by the way, it's on the medial side as well. Because like I said, it's a pretty symmetrical shoe. Now, what's supposed to happen is, you see that reflective? You're supposed to see 3 stripes. And as you can see, there are only 2. Now, let me get another pair of Yeezys so you can see the difference. All right, so I grabbed my my orange wash, I believe is what these are called. Dirty. These are like an everyday shoe. I wear these so often. I work out in these. I wear these a lot. But anyway, if you look at this, These got them wrong too. You only see that one, but you're supposed to see 3 stripes. So there you go. That's pretty much the indicator on a lot of these fake Yeezys. They don't glow like they're supposed to glow in the light. That's it. There you have it. So take a look at that if you're trying to check these out on the open market. Now, I guess the only downside to that is when you're going to get a black light test over the internet. I guess unless you're just asking for it. I don't know. I don't know how somebody can't just fake that online. But in person, you got a pretty foolproof way to check out your shoes. So don't get got out there. I mean, you know, buy what you buy what you like, whatever, right? If you want to buy reps, buy reps. You want to buy retails, buy retails. But don't get scammed thinking you're getting retails and paying resale prices and end up with a pair of reps. That's just not the way to go. And, that's pretty much the shoe. Not a whole lot to talk about. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. We'll see you guys in another one real soon. Peace.